Hello, it's Brad, and today I am going to be showing you a little technique that I've tried to come up with using a subflame wrapped in a cylinder. So I have found out it is best to use a tile type flame. For the sake of speed, I am going to uh, use a tile maker script by uh, Missy Gaynor. I got right here. Run through a few of them here. Going to adjust it, reset everything. So we have a nice little tile here. So now what we're going to do is if we add a final to it, and make a cylinder, you see we have wrapped it into the cylinder here. I'm going to actually shrink it down some here. And on post a little bit. Make it a little thinner. Then if we create another flame, and for this, just for the sake of speed, I'm going to be using this script here by Downtown called cylinder tiling. Run that a few times here. So what we can do is if we come back to this, go to clipboard, go back to the cylinder flame, then on the cylinder transform that has a cylinder, go to subflame, click on the gear icon to bring it up, select everything here. I'm using a Control V to paste it. And now we see we have the flame here. And then we can adjust it as we need to. And of course, if we want to make the cylinder longer, we can adjust the X1 and Y2 here. And so now we see we have the repeated tiling from this flame in the cylinder that we can now play with. And of course, you can use this technique with any other type of flame. If it's not a good tile, you might have to use something like a crop to expand it. But basically, that is it. So until next time, talk to you later. Bye.